Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a GA4 property and its measurement ID, plus access to a GTM container with editor rights. Once those are in place, open GTM and create a new tag. This is where you'll send events to GA4. Make sure to choose the GA4 configuration tag type. It sets the measurement ID and global settings. This first step establishes the tracking foundation, so subsequent event tagging reuses the same configuration for consistency and fewer mistakes. Next, you define how and when data is sent. Create a GA4 event tag for each interaction you want tracked and point it to the configuration tag you already made. Then assign precise triggers, clicks, form submissions, or page views so only relevant events fire. Use GTM built-in variables, page URL, click ID, form ID to populate event parameters. Once done, preview in GTM to validate events, appear, and send expected parameters to GA4 before publishing changes for live collection. To complete the setup, preview changes in GTM while watching GA4 debug view so you can confirm events, parameters, and user properties arrive correctly. When everything validates, publish the GTM container to push tags live. If events don't appear, first verify the measurement ID in the configuration tag and that the correct container version is published. Then check trigger conditions and variable values. As a final tip, clear cache or use an incognito window with preview. Many issues stem from stale scripts or conflicting tags.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.